In this video, I show you how to fix something went wrong. Check that Google Play is enabled on your device and that you are using an up-to-date version before opening the app. If the problem persists, try reinstalling the app problem. You can see that this problem happening. For fixing this problem, go to settings, scroll down notification bar, then click on settings from here, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. Now click on enable. Go back. Then click on three dot. Click on reset app preference. Click on reset apps. Now I hope that this method fix something went wrong. Check that Google Play is enabled on your device and that you are using an up-to-date version of before opening the app. If the problem persists, try installing app problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.